In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use time tracking and reporting in Clickup. Clickup is often referred to as the everything app for work, and that's for a good reason. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools to manage tasks, projects, and indeed time tracking. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with everything you need to get started with time tracking in Clickup and enhance your productivity. Let's begin our journey by opening Clickup in your preferred browser. Navigate to the Clickup website, and in the top right corner you'll see the login button. Click on it to enter your credentials. If you have a Google account linked, you can simply choose to sign in through Google for convenience. This direct login feature ensures you're always just a click away from accessing your workspace. Once you're logged in, it's time to choose your account. If you have multiple accounts, select the one you intend to use for managing your time tracking. Now that you're on the dashboard, head over to any list and locate the three dots icon. It's a little hidden gem that opens up a world of possibilities. Click on these dots and then look for templates. Clicking templates will bring up a whole host of pre-designed setups, but our focus today is on the time tracking aspect. So click on Browse Templates, and in the search bar provided, type in time tracking. This action will filter out and present related templates, saving you the trouble of wading through unrelated material. When you spot consultant time tracking, go ahead and click on it. This template is optimized to serve professional needs efficiently. Now click Use Template. At this juncture, consider naming the template something that's meaningful and specific to your project's needs. Naming templates is a small organizational habit that goes a long way in maintaining clarity. With your template named and ready to go, click on Use Template once more to finalize the process. Now head back to the main template section and click on the template you've just created. This allows you to make adjustments as necessary to ensure it fits your unique requirements. Inside the template, you'll find that the tracker can be edited to fine-tune the details. Whether it's adjusting timelines, altering task categories, or allocating time budgets, you have the flexibility you need. Additionally, you can add tasks directly within the time tracking template. This functionality not only helps in meticulously planning each segment of your workday, but also ensures nothing slips through the cracks. By following these steps, you gain control over your time management and reporting within ClickUp, enabling you to maximize your productivity and keep your projects running smoothly.